How to find your search history on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your search history on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down, click your time on Facebook, click on see time, and now click on see activity log. And you have this list. Scroll over until you find search history and click on it. Here you're gonna find all your search history since the beginning of your Facebook. You can just click on trash and delete all your search history, or you can click on archive and archive it wherever you want. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.